Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ernie. In this video, I'm going to show you how to map chlorophyll concentration using the normalized difference chlorophyll index or NDCI in Google Earth engines. Before that, I will explain what is the NDCI or normalized difference chlorophyll index. NDCI or normalized difference index is a Sentinel's um, or remote sensing index used to estimate chlorophyll concentration in water bodies, particularly in turbid waters. And it's utilized the reflectance in red and red H bands for Sentinel-2 multispectral instrument or MSI, and high NDCI value generally indicate high chlorophyll concentrations. And what is the formula of this index? The formula is red H1 minus red divided with red H1 plus red. And how to interpretations the NDCIs. So higher NDCIs value suggests a higher concentrations of the chlorophyll in the water and indicating the potentially increased algae growth or biomass. And which application we can use this? NDCI can be used for water quality that I have already mentioned before, and assessing the eutrophications and understanding algae blooms in various uh, aquatic environments. Okay, let's jump into Google Engine and build the index. First, you should sign in this platform, and after sign in, you can go to code editor, and in the code editor, you can write here your code. But the first step, you should define your ROI. Today, I will use ROI from my country, my own country, Indonesia. There is once a lake here, Cirata lake. So just today I will use these functions, rectangle function to make my ROI and just change it. And if you want to add it to the layer, map add layer and ROI and make it as a center object. Zoom for example 12 and run it. So your ROI will be display in your window. So as I mentioned before, we will use data from Sentinel-2 multispectral instruments. Here, if you want to know about this data set, you can read in the description menu. So there is so many information here. And today we will use the bands as I mentioned in the PPT that's we will use for this index is band number 5 and band number 4. So red H1 minus red, band number 5 and band number 4. So you can find here and just import to the layer. And here I have already write the code. So first we should filter with our filter date. Here I will use data from 2017 until 2024 and filter bounds with our ROI. And we should do the filter with the cloud. So here's I will use cloud less than 45, or maybe we can make it less than that. For example, 15. And then this is for the radiometric corrections that we can see here, that we should multiply with this scale. So all the bands in the image should be multiplied with this value. And I will map the water index. If you want to know about these indices, you can so you can go to the my previous video. The formula is B3 minus B8 divided B3 plus B8 for NDCI, and after that greater than zero, it's indicate with the water, and after that for NDCI, this is the formula B number 5 and minus B number 4, and do the threshold, these thresholds. So all the mapping is only in the water area, that's indicating the water area. So we will see that. And after that, this is the band target. So if we run it, so if we run, there is so many band here. That's on the system start. So here it will be showing you the date in every image, and after that you can do the, if you want to know about one of the date or one of the image, just input you can filter with the date that you have already get the information here. Here I will try to map in 2021 August to 2021 August 31. And here only one bench or only one image showing in this month. Okay, and if you want to do the visualization, just for example make it straight 90%. So the NDVI value is from 0.007 until 0.15. And if you want to add the palette, for example, the low NDVI with the blue and medium is with the green, and the highest with the red. Just apply it, and after a few moments you will see the NDCI in that date that you have already choose. And how to add or how to download this to our drive. Here this is the code for the, if you want to export. So just for example, I want to export the target which date that I have already choose, just target and get the means, click with the ROI, and the description will be NDCI, and this is the scale because the band numbers 5 is 20, so I will use scale 20. and the region is ROI. This is the maximum pixel that I can export, and this is the GRS my area, and the folder it will be, the name is chlorophyll. Just run it if you want to export to your drive. So here's and run, and after a few moments you can find your image in your drive. That's all from my side today. I hope you can learn something from this video. If you need the code, you can comment or ask in the comments. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.